is Stormcracker, and I am going to show you a dismantled RC truck. I should take the camera. So first, I took out the decoration, the casing of the truck, RC truck, and then I left this out because I don't really need to smell that. And this was a thing that kind of went inside of here and covered up that in that right here. And then this was the power, where the batteries were stored. It went about right here. And I don't know where this went. Went somewhere in there. And then these are the tires. These are the wheels. The wheels that steered. These were the back wheels. And these were the little cables that connected to the power stuff. These are the screws. These were the things that went inside of these two wheels when I took them out. And then this kind of pumped the energy throughout the RC car. And that's pretty much all I have to show you today, so bye!